Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this session I'm gonna take you through Next.js 13.4. It got released. It's been a 10 days, and I like lots of folks are talking about it that Next.js 13.4 and afterwards it will become a more like a PHP, and it's good to have a kind of server side good easy functionality with like it's better to have the functionality in hand. If it's all your choice, if you want to use it, it's fine. But this app directory got stable, so you don't have to play around with your slash things. It will more over like your htdocs. Back in old days we used to have in PHP www folder where we used to have a directory. Inside that we used to have index.php, so it will automatically get your index.php by routing in your folder, and it will automatically detect the path. So that will be a point of best thing, I guess. Now you can use it got stable, so instead of pages you can use app directory. Turbo pack is still in beta, and it's around 700 times faster than your normal Webpack. So we are waiting for Turbo pack officially when it will get released. And server actions is the new topic of today's session that we are going to explore. So yeah, this is very easy to set up your Next.js project. Just these 4 dependencies. Grab this and open your any editor. Just install this and you can directly start with sorry, I need to create a new folder on my desktop quickly. I'm going to name it 1304 because of course this is 13.04 release, so I'll say 1304. I need to again rename it. It's not 1304. So yeah, now simply drag your folder on the top of your VS Code. Open your terminal by command J or control plus backtick. Let me minimize all the things and let me command V, and yeah, it's installing. It will take normal time. Of course you can use yarn as well instead of this. So I can quickly create an app directory like this, and instead of pages, and inside that you will always have to create a page.js. So make sure you have to have page.js in each directory inside app. Let's suppose if you want to create a /id which is dynamic, so dynamic things you can define like this, but inside that as well again you have to create a page.js. so that is the requirement in here. So it's all your choice how you deal with this thing. So I'm going to delete this and I'll go back with the normal page.js, where I'm going to create a normal function that will export default function, and that function name can be anything of course, and that will simply return your any hello message. So I'm going to have this hello, and this is it, and this is all you have to do. And you can quickly delete this unwanted folders that is not in use. And inside package.json of course you have to write a scripts, and that scripts is these are the scripts, and inside that I'll have my dev. Inside dev you can write next dev. So yeah, this is it. This is all you have to do. And you can use yarn start dev or yarn dev or npm run dev, or it's all your choice. Okay, so let me do this yarn dev or npm run dev. Okay, so let's see if we are missing something. And this of course the closing tag, I haven't used comma here, so I need to use comma, and now it will work. So it will take a little bit time for the first time to compile. Okay, and here we go, it is running already. So localhost :3000 will go there, it will compile in the background, and yeah, here we go, hello got printed. So this is how easy it is, and it got created a layout.js. if you haven't created already, it will automatically create your layout where you can create your header or footer or maybe. And yeah, server action is the main topic for the today's session, so I'm gonna take you through that. And to use server actions of course you have to create this next.config.js. that's what I'm going to create in my root folder. So next.config.js, and here you just need to paste this to make just like before we used to have app_dir:true to use this app, but now it got stable. Instead of app_dir you can use this server actions, and of course then only you can use this. So I'm gonna grab this. I don't need to grab actually this form. This is the best example that we can have for now. So inside my pages I just have to uh, paste this form. So instead of your set state and lots of other things, you don't need to do that. Here you can directly use this submit and name, and in order to get this you have to create a new function over here, and that can be async function. Async function create, let's suppose, and that create can have a form data or form whatever it may be. Okay, and in here you just have, you can directly use server by writing this. Okay, and after that whatever you will write will be executed on the server side. So that's how it is, like your file operation, fs, and lots of other things you can get advantage of. And here you can use this form data dot get method in order to get anything from here. Let's suppose name is what's I'll try to get. So still it is server action required, so I need to restart because I have made this next.js.config. And after that, once I go and refresh the page, I'll see this form once it will get compiled on the server. And yeah, this is the hello Mahesh, and submit this, and it will it should execute it here, because my name is title, so I need to use title here instead of name. And now if I submit this once again, so I'll see hello Mahesh. So this is what we did here. So that's it, I guess. There is nothing much here to talk about. Okay, these are the only things. And after that, turbo pack we are waiting for, of course. Turbo pack, this is a new release, and stay tuned to like have this latest updates. This is not latest, is back like around 10 days it was here. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm assuming that there will be another new features, and I'm very curious to know that how the dynamic functionalities of client side will make impact on, will get impacted on because of this server action. So let's see how it goes. So for this tutorial, I guess this is it. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and have a good day. See you soon in next video. Tada, bye bye.